2016 Prius C cabin and air filter replacement. So after you pop your hood, you just want to come right here to these little silver clips and just push them off. Once those are off, you could gently lift this up, but you got to watch out for these tabs in the back. You want to kind of tilt it up and then out so you don't break those tabs off, and then you'll just grab your air filter and then you'll slide it out. Here's the part number for the new one. This part number is from the dealership. This is a Toyota air filter. And then you just bring this and put it back in and pretty much do the reversal. Just slide this in. It's a lot easier with two hands. And then when you're done putting it in, you're going to slide these tabs in the back first and then gently lower it to the front, and then you should be able to put these clips on. If they're giving you a hard time, something might not be lined up right, but you get those back on like that. Now for the cabin filter, you're going to lower this, take this plunger off, just pull it off like that. Try not to pull the whole thing off like I just did. That's okay though. I'll show you how to do it to put it back on. It's not that big a deal. We'll put that to the side for now, and then you want to squeeze the sides of this glove box. Just kind of push in the sides and then lower this down. You're going to squeeze them and then lower it. This side over here is a lot easier. So lower it, and then you could just pull this actually off the hinges like this. Now with that off, here's our door to the cabin filter, like the little faceplate. You want to squeeze the end tabs, and take note there's an up arrow right here. You want to keep that in mind, because when you put your new filter in, it's going to have an up arrow. So squeeze these little tabs right here and then just pull it forward. Those tabs will unlock it, and then you can just reach in here and pull it out. This one is a little dirty, so go ahead and get our new one. This is also from the Toyota dealership. This is the part number. If you go aftermarket, you'll have to just kind of match the part number up. Notice it says up right here, so we're going to point this filter up. Now you have to put this in a certain way. I'll show you. Sometimes people try to put it in like this and it sticks out too far. It won't work. So what you need to do is you need to stick it in sideways, how it was when we got to it, like that. And then when you put this faceplate back on, you want to have it pointing up. So put the left side in first, the tabs, and then just close that in. For this, you'll want to put your hinges lined up first before you close this. I forgot I had to put the plunger back on, so but that's how you do it. And then you just hook your plunger back up. But I pulled my whole plunger off, so basically all you do is you on the second hole down, you just put it on this little part right here, and then when you put your glove box back on, then you'll just hook it to the bottom hole. So you can just push this straight in, and then go ahead and get this guy back on. Now if you break your plunger or you're just not able to put it back on, it's not the end of the world. Your glove box will still work normal. It just won't close and open, nice and slow like that. But I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Any additional information is appreciated.
You're pretty good, but your style is no match for mine.